Small smokers offer a perfect blend of convenience and performance for those who want to enjoy delicious smoked meats without taking up much space. Ideal for patios, balconies, or compact outdoor areas, these smokers provide the authentic flavor you crave. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best small smokers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor cooking topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Kamado Joe Joe Jr. is a compact powerhouse that ranks as number 5 among the best small smokers. With a premium 13.5-inch ceramic grill, this versatile smoker is built to deliver exceptional results whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting. Its thick-walled, heat-resistant shell ensures that smoke and moisture are locked in, maintaining consistent temperatures and enhancing the flavor of your food. A cast-iron air vent allows precise temperature control, giving you the flexibility to cook low and slow or sear at high heat. The 304 stainless steel cooking grate provides durability and even heat distribution, perfect for everything from steaks to vegetables. The built-in temperature gauge lets you monitor heat levels without lifting the lid, ensuring your culinary creations are cooked to perfection. Designed with portability in mind, the Joe Jr. comes with a sturdy cast iron stand, making it easy to take on tailgating trips, camping adventures, or simply to move around your backyard. Weighing just 68 pounds, it's ideal for those who want a big flavor in a small package. The Traeger Grill's Ranger Portable is a top choice for those seeking a small smoker with a big performance. Engineered for precision, this compact unit features a digital arc controller that ensures consistent temperatures, perfect for grilling, smoking, roasting, or baking. The advanced grilling logic provides precise heat management, so your food comes out just right every time. With 176 square inches of grilling space, it's spacious enough to cook for a small gathering while remaining portable. The grill grates are porcelain-coated for easy cleaning, and a cast iron griddle is included for added versatility. Equipped with a meat probe, you can monitor internal temperatures without lifting the lid, ensuring perfect doneness. The Keep Warm mode is a thoughtful touch, keeping your food warm until it's time to serve. 2 lid latches secure the top during transport, making it ideal for camping or tailgating. The extended 8-pound hopper means fewer refills, so you can focus on enjoying your meal rather than tending the grill. Whether at home or on the road, the Traeger Grill's Ranger Portable combines convenience with performance. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series is a standout among small smokers, combining durability, convenience, and performance in a compact package. With a total cooking area of 443 square inches, it provides ample space to smoke your favorite meats, vegetables, and more. This versatile smoker is crafted from heavy-gauge steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and even heat distribution, essential for achieving that perfect smoky flavor. The smoker's design is both practical and robust. The cool touch spring lid handle allows you to safely access your food without the risk of burns, while the oversized steel wheels make it easy to move the smoker across various terrains. Whether you're setting up in your backyard or taking it on the go for a tailgate, the Dyna-Glo Signature Series is built for convenience and mobility. This smoker also excels in heat retention, crucial for consistent cooking. The heavy-duty construction, combined with its efficient design, ensures that heat stays where it belongs, inside the smoker. The Weber 14.5-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker is a compact powerhouse, perfect for those who value precision in smoking but have limited space. This small yet mighty charcoal smoker boasts a main grilling area of 143 square inches, with a total grilling space of 286 square inches, providing ample room to smoke a variety of meats simultaneously. Weighing just 24 pounds, it's easy to move around, making it ideal for backyard gatherings or tailgating adventures. The cooker reaches an internal temperature of approximately 190 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for slow smoking to achieve that deep, flavorful taste. The smoker is designed with ease in mind, featuring a straightforward assembly process with instructions available in the included user guide. For those who prefer a visual aid, 3D interactive instructions are accessible through the free-built app, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Crafted with Weber's signature durability, the Smoky Mountain Cooker also comes with a fitted cover to protect it from the elements, ensuring longevity. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just getting started, this smoker offers a perfect blend of functionality and convenience. The Traeger Grill's Tailgater portable wood pellet grill brings the rich, smoky flavor of wood-fired cooking wherever you go, making it the top choice for small smokers. Built with Traeger's legendary craftsmanship, this portable grill offers precision and versatility in a compact design. The digital arc controller ensures accurate temperature control, maintaining within 15 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent results every time. With a temperature range of 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can grill, smoke, braise, roast, bake, or barbecue with ease, no matter where your adventures take you. Despite its portable size, the Tailgater doesn't compromise on capacity. It boasts a 300 square inch grilling area, enough to handle up to 12 burgers, 3 racks of ribs, or 2 whole chickens. The easy fold legs make it easy to transport and set up, whether you're tailgating, camping, or simply cooking in your backyard. This grill combines the robust flavors of wood pellets with the convenience of modern technology, ensuring that wherever you are, your food is cooked to perfection. Compact yet powerful, it ensures you never have to sacrifice the taste of authentic wood-fired barbecue, no matter the location. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.